Welcome all of you to this wonderful page to Swati's Workshops. I am the founder of Swati's Workshops and I organize workshops for women. So we are into cooking, baking, art and craft, makeup and hair and cosmetic making. We'll give you a lot of tips. You're going to enjoy this. And the mirror effect cake, something about this cake, this looks glamorous, this looks very stylish. So we have already baked the vanilla sponge, okay, and we will show you the sponge, how we have done it. So I have many experts with me. I have like 200 types of workshops, so around 40-50 topics I teach, and for rest of the topic I have experts. Today we have one such expert here, Sudha. She is gonna teach you the mirror effect cake decoration. So a lot of time, many of my students, many of the ladies who inquire, they go wrong in beating the cream, okay. So we're going to show you from there how to beat the whipping cream, because though this is very basic and simple, people do make mistake. So who all are logging in, watching me live, send a hi, tell me your name and which city you're from. So if you can start doing that, we will go ahead. It's a beautiful October afternoon. I guess it's gonna rain. It looks very beautiful outside. And we're going to make a delicious cake. So I wish you were all here. We would have tasted and had fun. Yeah. Okay. Back to the point. It's 1:30. We will teach you from basic. I'll quickly show you the vanilla sponge cake which we have baked. This one is an eggless recipe. So this cake has been baked before, vanilla. All right. And we have let it cool nicely. Before you decorate or frost or do icing for any cake, it should be 200% cool and to room temperature. Hi Ashwini, Ashwini from Panvel, awesome. So look at this spongy base, this is an eggless base, we have made it from scratch. In all our cake workshops, we teach you the sponge from scratch. We teach you the chocolate, the vanilla, the red velvet. Okay, so this is the sponge. It has to be this soft. Hey Lalita, how are you? Lalita is also another friend. She takes a lot of amazing chocolate orders, diyas and catering. You guys should contact Lalita. Hi. Hey Mehak. Mehak from Panipat. Hi sweetheart. Okay, this is the sponge. This is proper to, in case what happens if you bake the sponge, it's warm and you do icing or frosting, it's gonna melt. Okay, hence it is extremely important. Even if you bake your sponge a night before, a day before, and you can do the icing and frosting the next day, perfectly fine. In fact, I know many bakers who see to it that the sponge is nicely cooled down, even for 12 hours, 24 hours, okay? So you need very basic stuff. This is especially for the beginners, okay? So I'll quickly show you the turntable here. Hey Sharayu, see this is our expert Sudha Viraj from Vadodara. Okay, so look here, you require a basic turntable. A turntable is something you just get in $1,000, okay? And you need a serrated knife. You will need this for slicing the cake, okay? We're going to slice this in 3 layers, okay? This is called a palette knife. And we'll show them the whipping cream wala dabba. So like I promised you, we'll show you how to whip the cream, because it's a basic point and many people go wrong. Hey Sandra ma'am, how are you? We are using Tropilite today. This is dairy free whipped topping. Okay, this is to be kept in the deep freezer, and before you plan to whip this, take it out. It should become a liquid consistency. This is frozen. So here we have poured it out in this pan, in a container. But it is chilled right now. Okay, it is supposed to be chilled. This is compulsory. And then we are going to beat it with an electric beater. You cannot beat it with a spoon. And I'll show you an electric beater. These are the paddles you require. So when we beat it, what happens is we incorporate air into this. And when we are beating, because of the air that's incorporated, this is going to fluff up or whip up, okay? This is the whipping cream. And now after the beating, it's gonna whip up. Then it will be the whipped cream, all right? So we'll show you. This is going to be a 1 kg of cake, All right. So for this 1 kg of cake, take only as much as of cream as you require. Don't take more. I'm also going to use the blueberry crush because we are going to teach you the blueberry cake today with the filling. All right. So you can also use blueberry fruit filling. That's what I said. There's a crush here. What else you will require? You will require the cold glaze. You will get this in all bakery supply stores. All right. Then you can use food colors. Another important point, just ensure that, hi Nikhil, how are you? Just ensure that the electric beater that you're going to use for today's workshop or whenever you beat the whipping cream is 350 watt, because what happens if it has a lower watt? The thing is your cream might melt because the paddles get exceedingly hot. All right. Guys, if you have any doubts, feel free, ask me. I'll ensure that I answer to everything. Just don't ask for the recipes. These recipes we teach in the workshop. Right here, just get the concept right for decoration, because this is a very glamorous and a stylish cake, and not many people know how to decorate it. So with the blueberry, with this vanilla sponge base, we'll show you the mirror effect. Yeah. Okay, so over to our workstation. Now I'll show you a close-up. Step 1 is beating the cream. Like this. Okay, now this is called as a soft peak. All right, it's beginning to become a soft peak right now. Your cream is not yet done. You need to go on. Okay, so most of the beginners, you make a mistake that you stop beating here. This is not done yet. This is a mistake. How do you know that the cream is ready? All right, you try to tilt it and it's begin to move. Okay, it will move a bit. So the firmness is not there. You have to ensure that you get the proper finishing. The whipping cream is already sweetened, okay? Though you have a creamy consistency here, you have to keep going because you will not be able to get the sharp edges or beautiful decoration. Hence, you need to completely get going. And these are the paddles that you need to use. Also, when you use it continuously, the beater does become hot. Hence, I'm advising you, go for a 350 watt beater. Use a nice mixing bowl, and spatula is really helpful to clean it out, all right? Okay, during summer you really ensure that you need this proper nice and chilled. Okay, so we continue beating this further. You might be wondering why she teaching something so simple and so basic, because basic में गड़बड़ होता है, गलतियां होती है, और इसलिए आपके फिनिशिंग में 19-20 का मैटर होता है. ठीक है, we continue beating. Okay, how do we know this is done? Okay, you start to get those peaks that are hard. Okay, look here, these are the peaks. Okay, these are stiff. There's a gloss here, there's a shine to the cream, and I'll show you something very okay, I'm trying to tilt this and nothing is falling off. Okay, this has been turned completely upside down and it's not falling off. All right, look here, it's not falling off. That means your cream is done. Okay, this is the right way to beat the cream. So do I have any questions still here, so I can answer your questions before we move ahead? This turntable, like I told you, you get it in all bakery supply shops. Okay, just hardly $1,000. So many of my students, like I have crossed 10,000 students, God's grace. So if you don't have this, we're going to teach you with this today. You can also slice it with a thread. We are going to make 2-3 layers here. So this is the sponge, vanilla sponge. Now look here, we'll start with the slicing. I'm taking a close up here. Okay, this is a perfectly baked sponge. Okay, so we have these 3 layers ready. You will need some practice, but you will be there. The brand of whipping cream, we have used Tropolite today, but you can use Value Star, you can use Rich Gold. Fiona is also good. Okay, what are we going to do now? We are going to soak this with plain water. Yes, this is plain water. This is not sugar syrup. I don't want my cake to be really over sweet. Okay, so this is nicely moistened. It's soaked beautifully. Now for the fun part. Let's dump some whipping cream. And we smoothen it out with a palette knife like this. With one hand, you move the turntable, and with the other knife, move your palette knife like this. Now this is the vertical action. And this is the horizontal action. Take out the excess cream. We're going to teach you the very easy way today. Easy and quick. Yes, Tropolite is very nice. Tropolite doesn't give as much of difficulty in beating, that I agree. If you want these recipes, we teach this in detail in our workshop. We teach this from scratch. This is going to turn out to be 1 kilo of cake. Now directly pour onto the blueberry fruit filling or the blueberry crush. Wow, beautiful. The trend is not over sweet cakes, all right? Now this is important. Look here. This is the top layer. Okay, this is the top crust. We soak this with water again. This is not a sugar syrup. We spray water on both the sides. So your cake will be juicy, it will be moist, it will be melt in the mouth. And if you see, the top has been put here as a second layer. Look at all these holes. What are we doing there? We are finishing the sides. I have used Mala today, Rameshwari. But whatever is available in your city, Rameshwari, you're from which city? So this is the crumb coating action here. Your sponge has to be like this, super soft. Oh, you're from Mumbai, all right. So Mumbai, you'll get a lot of things, yeah. Like there are plenty of shops. I'll give you the supplier. Just ping me on WhatsApp and I'll send you a supplier who will, deliver all across Mumbai. Did you see? You just need the basic stuff. Keep watching this video again and again. It will really help you because it's a very easy technique that we are showing. With one hand, move the turntable. With the other hand, use your palette knife and give this shape to your cake. Okay, this is the first layer. The second layer is done. And now, we pour some more blueberry crush. Okay, I'm teaching you in blueberry. You can use strawberry, you can use pineapple, you can use mango, apricot and fig, kiwi, lychee, absolutely any flavor. Okay, this much is enough for the perfect sweetness. And now the final layer. You know the drill. She's soaking the edges here and then the center portion. Meenakshi ma'am, Bangalore, I'll have to scout for the suppliers, bakery suppliers, but I can give you Mumbai, Pune suppliers who will be very happy to deliver all across India. And nowadays you get everything online. So you place the third slice here. All right. Ensure that your hands are dry. It should not be wet. And fill in the gaps. And move your palette knife. Thank you, Khushkiran. Now this is the top finishing. Look at this. Smoothen. Fill in the gaps. Right now this is looking like a lot of cream, but then after the finishing, no it won't. We are going to remove off the excess. You have to cover the cake nicely. Thank you, Rameshwari. Yes, आपने salad class किया था, I remember. This is just the whipping cream. We have not added any sugar. The whipping cream is already sweetened. Thank you, Hemant. Hey, that's nice to hear, Khushkiran. I'm extremely proud to say that I have more than 550 women who have learned baking from us, and now today they are successful home bakers. They have a wonderful business. Most of them were housewives. Most of them were women who were working and then they took a break after their babies were born and they could not manage their hectic jobs, and they started the second phase of life and a successful career. So I'm extremely proud that I play a little part in women empowerment, in helping you become financially independent and standing on your feet. Okay, this is the first coat. So ideally what you do is, at this stage, this should go in the refrigerator. Okay, and then set it. This is specially for the beginners. Okay, you clean your palette knife. Look here, this is the first finishing. Since it's a basic cake, we are not going to take you extremely in detail. This is good enough. Also, keep cleaning your turntable all the time. Okay. Why should people buy from home bakers? Tell me. Because you guys ensure that you use fresh ingredients. You're keeping everything hygienic. You're keeping everything clean, especially in this pandemic COVID times. What happens is maximum cleanliness, hygiene is what will set you home bakers apart. Because we home bakers, you students, you sell these cakes half kilo, at least 500 bucks, 1 kilo, 1,000 rupees. But the market ones, they are at 350 rupees or 600, 700. They're using premixes, preservative, chemicals. You guys are not using any of this. Okay. This is why people prefer you. Now look here. Okay, this triangle is extremely useful. You get it in plastic. We are going to give the corner edges design here. Okay. How easy is this? Done in one turn. Hence, the turntable is extremely important. Okay. Wonderful. Keep cleaning your palette knife. Take out the excess cream and give a good finish. Okay. Did you see how quickly? I guess in 15-20 minutes this is ready, and we'll show you the final decoration right now. Do you have any questions? Show me the triangles. So you get a lot of triangles like this. They're not expensive. You get in plastic and you also get in stainless steel. So these are very fine lines. Okay, now important. Now comes the part about mirror effect. So this is a gel here. Glass effect, sorry. I keep forgetting. Okay, so look at this ingredient. What is this, Sudha?
This is neutral gel.
Neutral gel, all right. Okay, another thing, guys, neutral gel is supposed to be kept outside, room temperature. Do not put it in the fridge. So we have taken some quantity of neutral gel here, all
3
right?
tablespoons of neutral gel.
Okay. How much time does it take to bake a cake? I mean, like just half an hour? Half an hour? Thank you, Minal. And like I promised you, for the glamorous stylish effect, this is the glitter. We're going to add very little of it. This is edible and this is sugar based. Use a little bit of quantity. You get a container like this. This has a long shelf life. Okay? All right. And then spray some water and mix. Do you see this glittering effect here? This glittering gel? This is what we wanted to make. This requires some more water because we want it workable. There. You require a flowing consistency. So from the gel, because of the water and the mixing, this is a flowing consistency right now. Do not make it very thin. And now as simple as it gets. Purple and pink mix. Pink and purple. Fine. Yes, in our workshops we teach everything from basic. We always teach our sponges from basic in all our workshops. We are having a cake pops and keksicle workshop this Sunday, and even there we are teaching the sponge making right from the basic. We have a jar dessert workshop on Saturday. That is also, the sponges will be from basic. There are so many Rameshwari in Bombay. There's RF. RF is there in Bandra, Kandivali, okay, and Crawford Market, World of Chocolate, Chocolates and More in Chembur. World of Chocolates is a good supplier. He supplies all over Mumbai. Okay, now we're going to use liquid food color. We are going to use color mist, okay, and this is oil based. Avoid the water based. Professional color for icing and baking. This is by Baker's Ville. So this bottle is pretty reasonable. If you're going to make a lot of cakes, ensure you buy this. So it's not very pricey. So we're going to use a combination of two colors. One is blue, okay, a few drops. And the other color that we decided is red. Pink, sorry. Okay, so now look here. So those of who have been watching my Instagram, you have been asking me so much about this cake. This was this cake. Just one turn, one swirl, and that's it. Okay, in one turn you get this effect. Anything that is remaining, just take it and swirl it around. Done. How easy was this? Do you see the shimmer and the glitter? It's a very trending cake, extremely easy. This cake is there on my Instagram. So there were so many requests. Hence, we decided for our first ever Facebook live session on Swati's Workshops Mumbai, we have to show the mirror effect cake. We showed you a combination of beautiful pink and blue. You can make endless combination colors. Now for the fun part, this is a cake board. Lift it with a palette knife and then lift the cake like this. Place it on the cake board. And clean your turntable. We'll give a beautiful border also here. Why do I want to give a border? Because I want to ensure that I get the perfect finishing here. There's a lot of whipping cream remaining. We showed you how to whip the cream from scratch. This one here. Those of you who are logged in late, you can revisit this video once more. Take a look. This is the whipped cream. Thank you so much, Meenakshi ma'am. Hey, thank you, Lalita ma'am. Thank you, Tanushri. Tanushri, how are your paintings? Yeah, I hope you're painting regularly. I love your work. So we'll show you something very simple. We're going to use disposable plastic piping bags. You get a bunch of these, okay? Okay, let me keep this cake aside here. Hi, Priyanka. Cut out. Take any nozzle of your choice. We are showing you something different because we have done a lot of Star Series nozzles in the past. Take as much as icing as you require. Check the flow. And now, simple lines. Press, pull, release. Press, pull, release. Do you see, because of this final finishing, now the cake is looking more complete. Finishing is very important. When you're in business, you should ensure that you finish maximum recipes, okay, maximum cakes in a short time. See, that is what business is about. And I'm going to garnish this with some silver balls to make it look all the more sexy, okay? Just drop it wherever you feel like. With most minimum ingredients, sprinkle it towards the sides. You have any questions, I'll answer, and I'll do one thing. The link of this video I'll share on the WhatsApp, and I'll also put it on Swati's Kitchen Pune, one more Facebook page. So like the page, follow the page, share this. If you want to learn this cake from scratch in detail, we are teaching this in level 1 eggless cakes class. We have lots of fun workshops coming up. Okay, what do we do with so much excess cream? एक फ्लावर बना देते हैं सुधा या बीच में डालने के लिए. चलिए. One very important thing. Everybody will teach you how to bake cakes, but nobody will tell you how to do the business of selling cakes, how to earn profit, how to make money. That is important, and we teach you that. So, what do I do here? This is a nozzle. Next week, I'll take a class on how to do the icing of flowers. Will teach you. We have taken this nozzle here. I hope you're able to see this clearly. Okay, we put it in the piping bag. And now we fill it with whipping cream. We'll show you the final flour because I'll place a flour in the middle of the cake. Look here. We make a mound. This is for stability and support of the flour. And then just pull. You can make this in colors also. We have chosen white because white is going to look nice against the background. The choice of your colors is also very important. You start from the outside and go inside. The outside edges will have long petals. Yes, Ashwini, because it's a live session, right? Hence, we had to show you the next few steps. This is for the beginners. Once you become experts, then there's no worry. In our online classes, we teach in greater depth with lot more detailing. Sprinkle करना है ना? No, I think white is good. Acha, blue you want. Okay, fine. Let's try something nice. Okay, this is one product here. This is a bakery spray. All right. So this is blue in color. What we'll do is on this white flour, we are going to spray some shimmer.
Color है हाँ.
हाँ. Blue color is fine. Okay, look here. So this is a blue color. And this is silver. We'll do one thing before we place this particular flower. Let's show them how to lift the flower. So when you practice, you always see the background and the cream. Now is this flower going on this cake? Do you think this is going to look nice? No, it won't, right? So we are not going to place this one. We are going to remove this and place it else, and we'll make some new flower here, okay? Because this is not going with the cake. If I place this flower on this cake, the beauty will go, okay? This cake is beautiful as it is, simple. You honestly don't need it, but it's a free live session. We thought we could teach you a flower. So this particular one is not going. We'll make you a fresh flower, okay? So we'll remove this and we'll place it aside. So test everything before you place, okay? Because every combination is going to make a difference. Now watch again closely. You make a mound of whipping cream. Keep cleaning your nozzle. And that's it. Pull out. Make the petals. Go in a layer. Go in a clockwise direction. Then you come into the second layer. That's on top of the first. Press and pull. Press and pull. Press and pull. Press and pull. You can make as many flowers as you want. You can make roses if you wish. You can make sunflower. You can make colored flowers. In fact, you get ready-made flowers also. You can garnish this cake with rose petals if you wish. Okay, now I'll show you how to use this glitter. This is silver glitter. Expensive product, but then it makes a final beautiful finish to your flowers. Now it's gleaming. There's a shimmer here. Do you see this? I don't know on camera if you can see this that well. So now you tell me, do you think we should place this flower on the cake, or it's looking nice as it is? You guys tell me. If you want us to put, we'll put, else we'll leave it like this. Tell me. You guys will get to decide. This is the flower. Do you want us to place this flower on the cake, or you want us to keep the cake as it is, just like this? Acha, don't. Okay. 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 Tell me. We are planning to keep this flower in the middle, but if you students want, Acha, one more telling, don't. Don't. Okay, fine. We don't. Okay, I'll share you the nozzle number later, definitely. On this page, we have put, okay, Pinky saying yes, Dinah saying no. Thank you, Meenal. That's so sweet of you. Put it in a corner. Okay, like this, in a corner. Here. Okay. Always visualize. Always, yes, the cake is beautiful in itself, Meenal. That's correct. Keep it as it is. As it is. Lalita Khush. Everybody. Fatima saying put it. Just Parmar is saying put it in a corner. Yashraj is saying don't. Alright. Majority wins. We are not going to put it. Okay. ठीक है. तो ऐसे बनता है फ्लावर. बट आप देख तो लो फ्लावर कैसे लिफ्ट करते हैं. Take a scissor. Gently. Okay. So we are not going to place it. But I'm just going to show you what is supposed to be done. Okay. You take it here. Okay. और फिर release करके रख दो. But हम आपकी we are going to not going to do it. So look here. Place it gently and nicely. Okay. Yes, fine. We won't. We oblige. Thank you, Diana. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is the 1 kilo cake. Okay, how much will you sell this cake for? Now a question. Most of my students here are people who have aspirations to start their bakery, restaurant, catering, or home baking business, or you want to have your own food business, food setup. You can sell your cakes online. I'll give you some very important tips on how to do business. So ask me as many questions as you wish. Megha 1200 से लेके 1400. Megha, from which city are you? It's also going to depend from which city you are, you know. So that would really matter. So it's going to depend from which city you are. 700 to 800. Mumbai, yes. This kind of rate you will get in big cities. Yes, definitely. How do we sell online? Okay, so there are two parts. So most of you students, many of my students, when you start to sell the cake, okay, first of all, there are many who have started from scratch, from basic. So first you need to announce to the world that, hey, I'm a home baker, I bake cakes, I sell cakes, and my cakes are great. The message needs to go out, right? So we all use WhatsApp. Unfortunately, we are all on social media. Social media is a black hole, but let's use social media for our business, yeah? Unfortunately, we can't avoid. So you have a lot of your friends, your colleagues, your neighbors, your family. A lot of people are there on your Facebook and WhatsApp. Step one is start practicing. Take good pictures, okay? Make good videos. We all have good phones. Use filters. Take a lovely close-up. Use a combination of beautiful flowers, okay? Colors, a beautiful background. Click your pictures in nice daylight, okay? Pictures are going to play a vital role. So stop wasting time taking selfies and click pictures of your cakes. Okay, I teach a lot of topics. Like I told you, I'm into cooking, baking, art and craft, makeup and hair, cosmetic making. But today I'm specially going to talk about cakes because this was a free live workshop on cakes. We're going to talk only about cakes today. So don't ask me anything else about cookies or macarons or breads or cosmetic making. Don't ask me about that. Let's stick to the topic. Let's stick to the eggless cake and let's stick to this discussion because costing is going to differ. Whatever ingredients you're going to use, that's going to impact. Okay, a vanilla sponge is not as expensive as a chocolate sponge because we are not adding cocoa powder in that. That's important. Red velvet is also expensive. So vanilla sponge, okay, the basic vanilla sponge is not as expensive. Remember that, first of all. So, okay, coming back to announcing to the world. On your WhatsApp, put on your WhatsApp status the pictures, put on your DP the pictures, okay, Facebook stories, your Instagram stories. Start clicking and be ethical. Use your own pictures. That's very important. Don't steal pictures. Don't take pictures from Google Images or anything and do that. No, that's not the right thing to do. Okay? Make your own cakes. Bake your own cakes. Click good pictures. At your level, don't waste money clicking professional photography and giving money. आपको पैसा कमाना है, business करना है, right? क्या होता है business? कम से कम input और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा मुनाफा, उसे कहते हैं business. Okay? आप सिर्फ दिन का एक केक बेक करेंगे और समझेंगे कि यार you're going to make money. No, it's not going to happen. ये जो business है, आपको इसमें मेहनत करना है, तो ये लाइन में आइए. Okay, passion है, dedication है, तो आप ये लाइन में आइए. You will make lot of money. I have so many students of mine who are making minimum 80,000 rupees a month selling cakes. I'm not kidding. They are selling one cake for $1,000 minimum. Okay, तो दिन का अगर 6 केक जा रहा है, 5 केक एवरेज बता रही हूँ मैं, कितना हो गया? 5,000 rupees a day. और अगर out of 30 days you're working even for 20 days, okay, Saturday Sunday छुट्टी लिया, you're traveling, ये सब minimum पकड़ रही हूँ मैं, कितना हुआ? So it's not difficult to earn 1 lakh rupee a month from this business. इसके साथ you can make chocolates. And now the season has started, right? अभी नवरात्रि, दशहरा, दिवाली, Christmas, New Year, right up till Valentine's Day. You can bake, you can do this business, you can start, you can expand. Literally, I have some students here who make 5, 10 lakh rupee of business during Diwali. So don't neglect this business, okay? I have students. I am based in Pune. I have a lot of students who are working in the IT industry. So they are women and guys who are working Monday to Friday. And Saturday, Sunday, they are doing this cake business, yeah? So there's a lot of potential. If you really wish, you can make money. You have any questions about this? Let me know. I would definitely sell this cake for minimum 1,000 rupees. Yeah? Depends on your clientele, the area that you stay. How to manage delivering cakes. One is, I tell my clients, come home and take your cake. You can dunzo. You can have a special guy to deliver the cakes. Okay? That's how you can do. Thank you so much. I'll share the link of this video in your WhatsApp. You will get it on your broadcast list. Fatima, you're from Chennai, right? Chennai also, there are so many bakery suppliers here. Lots. Which premix brand is best? See, we generally avoid premix, but you get good premix brands also. I think Pillsbury is good. Yes, Pillsbury is good. And which brand you said?
Prestige.
Okay, that one is also good. I would advise you to make premix from scratch at home. So if you want to make cake business on a large scale, go for premixes. तो आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा केक बना सकते हैं आप. Okay, it's just simple. Take a premix base, add water, oil, mix and bake. It's that easy, yeah. So for these big bakeries who are making 100 cakes, you know, at a time in their commercial professional ovens, they are using premix. They don't have time like you and me to mix with and make it from scratch. Okay. Any more doubt? Ma'am, do you teach fondant cake? We'll be teaching fondant cake in the month of December. In the winters, we generally teach fondant cake. Do you have any doubts? Okay, so you must have seen that in 1 hour you could make this cake. Okay, so 1,000 to 1,200 rupees. Okay, you have made a profit of minimum 800 rupees minimum on this particular cake. You have a big profit margin for home bakers. Okay, why? You're not paying commercial rent. It's a small setup. you don't have one small oven is good enough for you to start your business. You're not investing in anything heavy. Thank you, Tehreem. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So we're going to end today's session. It's been a wonderful 1 hour session with you. I'll upload this picture on my Instagram. My Instagram is swatis_workshops. Okay, thank you so much. Keep smiling forever. Lots of love to all you people, all you wonderful people. God bless.